So friends, welcome to our channel. If you are facing synchronization failed to synchronize data for cross-platform, please try again later problem in Rainbow Six Seas. Watch this video till end because in this video I am showing you the solution of this problem. Watch this video till end and watch carefully. If you guys new on my channel, you can like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. First, restart the game sound basic, but it helps a lot. Restart your console or PC and your internet router. Make sure your internet is stable, no hotspot if possible. If you are on PC, Ubisoft Connect, open Ubisoft Connect, then settings, then turn offline mode off. Log out, then log back in. Verify game files. Ubisoft Connect, then library, then R6Cs, then properties, then verify files. Run Ubisoft Connect as administrator. Check that your firewall is not blocking Ubisoft services. If you are on PlayStation or Xbox, fully close the game. Make sure you are signed into PSN slash Xbox Live, your Ubisoft account. Check for a game update or system update, or check the server status of Rainbow Six Siege. If server is down, so guys, you have to wait for some time. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe.